In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Postscript pop-up. Let's dive right in and take this step by step so you can swiftly and smoothly make the updates you need. First things first, go ahead and open up your internet browser of choice. Type Postscript into the search bar. Once you find the Postscript website, navigate to it, and you'll be ready for the next step. You'll need to log into your Postscript account. You can do this by entering your email and password. Alternatively, if you've linked your Shopify site with Postscript, you can use your Shopify credentials to get on board. If you have trouble remembering your login details, now might be a good time to update your password manager. Once you're logged in, look at the left side navigation panel. Navigate your way through until you see the option labeled Acquisition and give it a click. This is where you can manage how you're bringing in new subscribers, and it's crucial for your marketing efforts. After accessing the acquisition section, you'll want to click on Pop-ups. This tab will display a list of all the pop-ups you've created. Take a moment to glance through it and find the specific pop-up you'd like to update. When you've pinpointed the pop-up on your list, select it. This will take you to the details page for that particular pop-up. Here you can make all necessary updates and modifications. You're now in the editor. This is where the magic happens. Feel free to change the text, update any headlines, or modify the buttons as needed. Customizing the appearance to fit your current campaign style or message can be done right from this interface. Next, adjust the pre-headline, headline, and post-headline copy. This might involve adding or removing any contact fields or custom fields you've decided should be part of your pop-up. Keeping your information concise and compelling can significantly enhance subscriber engagement. As you continue, consider if you need to modify buttons, forms, quizzes, or product elements. This could involve changing their text, incorporating survey options, or selecting the best product recommendations for your current audience. All these tweaks can help create a pop-up that truly speaks to your users. Once you've made all your desired changes and feel confident everything's in place, look for the Save button, usually located in the upper right corner of the editor. Clicking this will ensure all your diligent work is saved and your updates will go live. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Postscript pop-up. Remember, keeping your pop-ups fresh and in line with your marketing goals is key to maintaining a robust engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and keep fine-tuning those strategies for the best results.